Hi guys, after a few hours I finally figured out how to reset this lock. Took me a few hours, but finally I've got it. Stupid thing. Okay, as it is written in instruction, put 000, which is factory default. Pull it up, counterclockwise 180 degree, pull down. This is where I was doing mistake the whole time. Not pull down just like that. It's not, this is not correct. It shouldn't move like this. Pull it down as much as possible, use some strength, and now additional strength to turn it additional 90. And when you get it like this and it's not moving when you are using small force, I mean that's correct. Put whatever number you would like to do, 111, whatever. Now back. Now we can use a small force. Yeah. Pull it up and back. So now 0 0 is not working. 1 1 1 will be working great.